sorry, little one. I can't keep you anymore. Even amongst the ruins, there is hope for a better tomorrow. It's all right, little one. You're safe with me now.
It wasn't much, but it was a start.
This is your chance, Snowy. Go and learn everything you can. I'm so proud of you. You did it, my little one. I did it for you, Mama. Beautiful, Mama. Because of you, my dear. Here's the key, Mom. It's finally yours. Oh, Snowy, I can't believe it. It's beautiful.